Mark Zuckerberg, or should I say, Mark Zingerberger, didn't start Facebook in a sleek Silicon Valley office. He launched it from a Harvard dorm room, wearing flip-flops and eating junk food. And today, he's worth over $100 billion. That's the brutal truth about the online world. It doesn't care where you start, it only cares how fast you move and how smart you play the game. While others are doom-scrolling and complaining about their paycheck, there's a quiet army of digital hustlers, stacking cash from laptops, coffee shops, and yes, still in pajamas. In this video, I'm giving you 8 proven ways to make money online that aren't fluff, fantasy, or get-rich-quick scams. These are battle-tested income streams that people are using right now in 2025 to pay bills, build wealth, and fire their bosses. No MBA required, just hustle, focus, and a little Wi-Fi. Even if it's stolen from your neighbor's house. By the end, you'll wonder why you didn't start yesterday. So grab a pen, mute the distractions, and let's turn your screen time into bank time. Number 1. Laser-targeted freelancing. Making money online isn't about some secret formula locked in a digital vault. It's about matching a business model to your life. A single parent with a spare 45 minutes after the kids are asleep needs a totally different game plan than a college grad with tons of time but a bank account full of cobwebs. This first method is about one thing and one thing only: momentum. It's about ripping off the Band-Aid and proving to yourself that you can trade a skill for cash over the internet. Don't expect a windfall, expect a start. The fastest way to get paid online is to sell a skill you already have. Seriously. Stop trying to build a fancy website from scratch. Go where the money already is. I'm talking about giant platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, which are crawling with millions of customers who need help right now. Can you write a coherent sentence? Are you decent with graphic design? Are you so organized it scares people to death? Do you have a skill that people will be willing to pay money for? That's not a quirk. That's a marketable skill. Virtual assistants, social media management, writing, businesses pay for this stuff every single day. But here's the key. Don't just be a writer. That's like being a guy who breathes. Niche down until it hurts. You're not a graphic designer. You're a logo designer for fancy coffee shops. That focus makes you an instant expert, not just another face in the crowd. Your goal isn't a 6-figure empire on day 1. It's one client, one $50 job. Get that and you've proven the model. Then you do it again and again. So what's your skill in freelancing? Comment below your skill and city where you are watching from. Number 2. Online tutoring and knowledge sharing. Can you play the guitar without putting everyone to sleep? Are you fluent in another language? Did you somehow survive advanced calculus? If so, there's someone out there willing to pay you to teach them what you know. Online tutoring has exploded. Platforms like TutorMe and Vedantu are basically matchmakers for brains. For a lot of these, you don't need a fancy teaching degree, just proof that you know your stuff. You set your own hours and teach from your couch. This is a step up from just doing a task because you're selling valuable knowledge. Demand is massive, especially for business, tech, and English language skills. It's a ridiculously flexible way to get paid for what's already in your head. Number 3. Microtasks. Let me be brutally clear. Most online survey sites are digital sweatshops. They pay you pennies to lose your sanity clicking boxes. Stay away. However, a couple of legit platforms are built for real academic and market research, and they actually pay a fair rate for your brainpower. I'm talking about Prolific and usertesting.com. This isn't a career. This is about making your first 10 or 20 bucks with practically zero effort. User testing, for example, pays you $10 for 15 minutes to test a website and say what you think. It's not quit your job money, but it is real money. Think of this as the ultimate test. If you have a spare 30 minutes, you can log on and make a few bucks. It proves the system works and might just give you the kick you need to tackle the bigger stuff. Number 4. Laser-targeted affiliate marketing. All right, you've made a few bucks, you've tasted blood, you know this is real. It's time to level up to the side hustle tier, where we build systems that make money with more leverage. This is where your effort starts to pay off, even when you're not actively working. You've heard of it. You promote a product, someone buys through your link, you get a cut. Simple. So why do most people fail? Because they act like human spam bots, dropping their links in every comments section on the internet. Don't be that person. The real strategy in 2025 is to become a trusted go-to expert in a super specific niche. Don't start a generic tech review channel. Start a channel reviewing microphones for podcasters under $100 one, or a blog about the best ergonomic office chairs for back pain. Create content that is genuinely helpful. Brutally honest reviews, tutorials, comparison guides. People will start to trust you. You don't even need a website to start. A YouTube channel or social media account works fine. The magic of this model is that one great video can keep earning you commissions for years. This is your first real taste of passive income. Number 5, digital products. Now this is where it gets fun, especially if you've been freelancing. In the starter tier, you were renting out your time. Here, you package your skill into a product you can sell 1,000 times while you sleep. Were you designing logos for clients one by one? Now you design a killer pack of 20 logo templates and sell it on Etsy. Were you writing custom meal plans? Now you write a comprehensive 30-day keto meal plan, ebook, and sell it as an instant download on Gumroad. Think printable planners, website themes, Lightroom presets, workout guides. You do the hard work of creating the product once. After that, sales and delivery are completely automated. There's no shipping, no inventory, and the profit margins are insane. You're turning your brain into a 24/7 money-making asset. Number 6. E-commerce. Welcome to the big leagues. These methods aren't fast or easy. They are real businesses that require strategy, patience, and investment. The payoff? An actual company that can generate life-changing income. Imagine running a merch store, t-shirts, mugs, posters, without ever touching a single product, buying inventory, or getting buried in shipping boxes. That's print on demand. Here's the deal. You create cool designs. You partner with a service like Printful or Printify that links to an online store. When a customer buys something, the order automatically goes to the print company. They print your design on the product, pack it, and ship it straight to the customer. You don't pay a dime until after you've already been paid. The secret to not getting drowned in a sea of generic t-shirts is a killer niche and brand. Don't just sell cool shirts. Sell shirts for corgi owners, for rock climbing fanatics, for people obsessed with 90s sci-fi. The global market for this is huge because people want unique stuff. It's a low-risk, high-reward way to build a real e-commerce brand. And you can even sell physical products. In fact, the first online store I made was of herbal health products, and some of those products exploded, landing me a significant amount of sales in just 3 months. Number 7. Laser-targeted content creation. This is the end game. It's building a brand and a loyal community around something you actually care about. A YouTube channel, a blog, a podcast, take your pick. The concept is simple to understand but brutally hard to execute. Consistently create amazing content that solves a problem, tells a great story, or entertains a specific group of people. Do that long enough and you will build a loyal audience. And once you have that audience's attention and trust, the floodgates open. You get ad revenue from YouTube. Brands will pay you for sponsorships. You can use affiliate marketing for products you genuinely love. And the holy grail? You can sell your own products, digital or physical, to an army of fans who are ready to buy. This isn't just a hustle. It's how you build an online empire that can provide income and freedom for years. It takes insane consistency, but the potential is unlimited. Number 8. Sell photos online. You don't need to be the next Annie Leibovitz or own a $5,000 camera to cash in on your photos. You just need an eye for magic and a bit of hustle. Whether you're snapping shots with a crusty old DSLR or the latest iPhone 27 Ultra Pro Max, whatever, selling photos online is one of the laziest yet lucrative ways to make money in 2025. Let's be real, your phone already has 3,000 photos of sunsets, coffee mugs, and your cat being weird. What if those pixels paid your rent? Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock will gladly accept your pics and toss you cash every time someone downloads one. It's like passive income, but a lot sexier. Want to go the elite route? Start selling limited edition prints. Either hook up with a local printer who knows her stuff, don't literally hook up with her, but you get the point, or invest in a professional quality printer and make your workspace smell like fresh ink and ambition. Slap your signature on it, add a price tag, and suddenly you're not just a photographer, you're an artist. Better yet, create your own photo shop on Etsy or Shopify. Niche down moody cityscapes, minimalist nature shots, or weird portraits of squirrels in business suits. Hey, people pay for weird. And don't ignore platforms like Unsplash. Sure, it's free, but brands tip big for premium exposure. The only thing standing between your camera roll and cold, hard cash is you not uploading them. So stop hoarding your images like digital dragon gold and start turning your shots into deposits. Honorable mention: become an influencer. Becoming an influencer in 2025 isn't just about taking pretty selfies or dancing on TikTok. It's a ruthless money-making machine if you play it right. And no, you don't need millions of followers. You need a niche, a backbone, and content that slaps harder than your Monday morning bills. Start with your niche. Don't try to please everyone. That's the quickest way to get ignored. Be the go-to for something specific. Budget fashion for broke students, gym hacks for lazy lifters, or sarcastic money advice for people drowning in debt. The internet doesn't reward bland, it rewards bold. Next, content is king, queen, and the entire royal court. But don't just post pretty pictures, post value. Make your audience smarter, stronger, or at least laugh so hard they snort their coffee on the waitress. That's how you get shares, follows, and most importantly, brand deals. Here's where the money comes in. Once you have attention, you monetize it like a villain in a money heist movie. Affiliate marketing? Done. Sponsored posts? Easy. Sell your own product or course? Absolutely. Want to get real slick? Build an email list and launch your own digital empire. Your followers are your future customers. And guess what? Micro-influencers, yes, even with under 10K followers, are cashing in like crazy because their engagement is through the roof. Now let's get brutally honest. If you're still scared of the camera, grow up. No one cares if your lighting isn't perfect. Post anyway. Ugly content that's useful will crush pretty content that says nothing. And if you're worried about judgment, remember, haters don't pay your rent, but content does. Bottom line, influence is digital real estate. It's free to build, and once you have it, it prints money. So stop scrolling, start creating, and become the personality that brands can't ignore and audiences can't stop watching. So there you have it. 8 proven ways to make money online, laid out for every step of the journey. We started in the starter tier, freelancing, tutoring, and micro tasks to get you off zero and prove this is possible. We moved to the side hustle tier, affiliate marketing, and digital products to build income streams that work for you. And we finished in the scalable business tier, print on demand and content creation for those ready to build a long-term powerhouse business. Here's the biggest takeaway. It doesn't matter where you start. There's a path for you. So stop watching videos about secret hacks and magic buttons. The real secret is to stop dreaming and start doing. Pick one method from this list that speaks to you and take the first ugly, messy, necessary step. Today, which of these strategies appealed to you the most? Comment below and do let me know if you found this information helpful. Watch more game-changing videos on becoming a billionaire and hit subscribe to fuel your journey with elite-level strategies to attract unstoppable wealth. Like and share this content with your friends and family.